do it. I'm gonna try it twice, okay? So just step, put my arms down, and kick over.
Yeah.
Push with this
just
leg.
Like kick over.
Push with this leg. Okay.
Just like.
Here we go.
Kick over.
Here we go.
1,
Scared.
2. Try it one more time. Just
Okay.
remember to kick your legs over your head.
Leave my arms still.
Leave your arms stiff.
Okay.
Your arm is about to touch the center. This is what you're doing.
I know what I'm doing. I'm looking like Brandon.
Thanks, Josh. Move!
My legs can't go in the air.
Because you got all the weight.
That's positive, right?
Alright, I'm done.